Hello student, how are you? I hope everyone is fine. So in previous video we started our block number 5, my country. So on this block we learned that first 2 point. First point is state and capitals and second point is union territories. Okay. India has 29 state and 6 union territories that we learned in previous video. So today we are going to learn about the national symbols. We recognize our country with the help of these symbols called national symbols. We recognize our country with the help of these symbols called national symbols. Our national symbols are chosen from things that are special to India. We recognize our country with this symbol, okay, which is that our national symbol that we are going to learn. Okay, student. So let's start. Let's learn more about national symbol. Why do you think we sing our national anthem? Why do we fly our flag on Independence Day? And why do we have the picture of lion pillar on our rupee note and coins? That is because these are our national symbol. They are special to India. We recognize our country with these symbols and each symbol has a meaning. Okay students, so let's learn. First is national symbol is national flag. The national flag of India has three bands of color. At the top is orange saffron color, followed by white and green colors at the bottom. In the center, there is a dark blue wheel with 24 spokes in it. The saffron color stands for courage and sacrifice, white for truth and peace, and green for fertility and success. Okay, see the picture, students. The Indian flag flying at the Red Fort on Independence Day. Next, next is national symbol is national emblem. The national emblem of India was taken from stone pillar in Sarnath in Uttar Pradesh. It is called the lion capital and was made by Emperor Ashoka of India. It has four lions standing back to back on a wheel. The lions stand for courage and confidence. There is a bull, a horse, an elephant, a lion with wheels in between. Below the four lions, they all stand on a lotus shaped like a bell. The national emblem can be seen on all Indian rupees, note and coins and all government documents like passport. Okay, students, see the picture of the lion pillar which is our national emblem. Okay, that it has four lions standing back to back on a wheel. See students, look at the picture that it has four lions standing back to back on a wheel. The lions stand for courage and confidence. There is a bull, a horse and a elephant. See students carefully. Okay, see in picture. See here. There is a bull, a horse, an elephant, a lion with wheels in between. And below the four lions, they all Indian rupees, notes and coins and all government documents like password. Okay, these national emblem can be seen all Indian rupees, note, coins and government documents like passport. Okay, students, next is national anthem. Okay, the national anthem of India is Jana Gana Mana. It was written by Rabindranath Tagore. We sing it on important occasion to show respect to our country. Next is national song. The national song of India is Vande Mataram. It was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. See, next our national symbol, which is that? Look at the picture, students, and tell me. Yes, this is peacock. So, the national bird of India is peacock. It stands for beauty and love. National animal. Yes, which is that animal our national? Yes, students, which is our national animal? Yes, very good, tiger. The national animal of India is the tiger. It stands for strength and courage. National flower. Which is our national flower, student? Yes, tell me fast. Yes, lotus. The national flower of India is the lotus. It stands for knowledge, a pure mind and heart. Next is our national food. Okay, which is our national food? Everyone likes this food. Yes, the national food of India is mango. It grows in most part of India and is known as the king of fruit. Next is national tree. The national tree of India is the banyan tree. Banyan tree are huge in size. See students, look at the picture. Banyan tree are huge in size and are homes to many bird and insect. They give shade to people to protect them from the hot sun. Okay students, did you know China was earlier known as Madras. Mumbai was earlier known as Bombay. Kolkata was earlier known as Calcutta and Bengaluru was earlier known as Bangalore. Okay students, so here we completed our last point is national symbol. Okay, which is that national symbols? Our national flag, national emblem, national anthem, national song, national bird, national animal, national flower, national fruit and national tree. These all are our national symbols. Okay, and these national symbols, that by these national symbols we recognize our country. Okay students, so in next video we will discuss about the practice question on these block. Okay student.